Class 10th Physics revision to be continued. Today I will start about object and images. First heading is object. Anything which gives out light rays is called an object. This means in language of physics we can say that anything which gives out light rays is called an object. Object is always real. Like a bulb behave as an object, a candle behave as an object, a pinhead behave as an object, and an arrow. And our face is also a object. Object can be two types. First, point object. Point object means very small object. Very small object treated as point object. Second is large object. Large object means extended object. In ray diagram, point object represented as dot and large object represented by arrows. Second heading is image. Image is an optical appearance produced when light rays coming from an object are reflected from a mirror. Here it is noted that image also formed by a lens, but in lens there is a property of refraction. Refraction means bending of light. Bending of light is known as refraction, and bouncing back of light is known as reflection. In this chapter, we study about reflection of light, means bouncing back of light. This event occurs from a plane mirror, or concave mirror, or convex mirror. There is two secondary cases, but normal case reflection is obtained by plane mirror. When we look into a mirror, we see our face. What we see in the mirror is actually a reflection of our face. This is called image of our face. That is, we can say that when we look into a mirror, we see the image of our face in it. In this case, our face is the object, and what we see in the mirror is the image. Second heading is real images. There are two types of image. First is real image and second is virtual image. The image which can be obtained on a screen is called a real image. Example, cinema screen. A real image can be formed on a screen because light rays actually pass through a real image. A real image is formed after reflection from a mirror. We also know that real image also form refraction by a lens. Second is virtual image. The image which cannot obtained on a screen is called virtual image. Example, mirror image. A virtual image can be seen only by looking into a mirror. The image of our face formed by a plane mirror cannot be obtained on a screen. It can be seen only by looking into the mirror. So, the image of our face in a plane mirror is an example of virtual image. Virtual image also called unreal image. A virtual image is formed when light rays coming from an object only appear to meet at a point. When produced backward after reflection from a mirror or refraction through a lens. Means in case of virtual image, the light rays only appears to meet. They actually not meet to each other, appears to meet each other. So, virtual image can be formed. Next heading is formation of image in a plane mirror. Here we have a plane mirror naming M, M dash, a object naming O. The light rays coming from object and strike on mirrors. After striking on mirrors, it reflected, means reflection of light. After reflection, it reaches our eye. But we can see that the image formed of object behind the mirror at point I. I is the image of object. Here we can see that the light rays represented as dotted lines. Dotted lines shown that the light rays actually not meet but appears to meet. Hence, image formed by mirror is a virtual image. The image formed by a plane mirror can be seen only by looking into the mirror. An image of this type which cannot be received on a screen is known as a virtual image. Or we can say that when light rays appears to meet, then image formed by plane mirror is a virtual image. We can see in diagram, this is a incident light rays. Light rays incident at point A and at point B. After incident at A and B, light rays reflected to our eye, but image formed behind the mirror at point I. Next heading is lateral inversion. Lateral inversion means the right side of our body becomes left side in the image, whereas the left side of our body becomes right side in the image. This is known as lateral inversion. In extended form, when an object is placed in front of a plane mirror, then the right side of object appears to left side of the image and the left side of the object appears to right side of image. This phenomena is known as lateral inversion. In summary, we can say that this change of sides of an object and its mirror image is called lateral inversion. Now next heading is image formed by a plane mirror having property number 1. The image formed in a plane mirror is virtual. It cannot be received on a screen. It is due to the light rays appears to meet. They actually not meet to each other, only appears to meet. Then in this case, image is formed is a virtual. Second point, the image formed in a plane mirror is erect. This means that when image is upside as the object, then the image is known as erect image. Third point, the image in a plane mirror is of the same size as the object. Fourth, the image formed by a plane mirror is at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of the mirror. Next topic is usage of plane mirrors. Plane mirrors are used to see ourselves, see our faces. Second, plane mirrors are fixed inside walls of certain shops to make object look bigger. Plane mirrors are used in making periscope. Periscope is an instrument for observation over around an object, obstacle or condition that prevents direct line of sight observation. LOS, line of sight observation means the image formed by object is clear to see over around of object. Which instrument is used to do this is known as periscopes.